Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money. And let's get to saving. So first up is my Save Every Friday of 2025. And this is created by Mandy's Monday _ budgets on Etsy. And I am going to save the $11. Oh, Friday is Friday the 11th? Oh, okay. I thought it was. Oh, never mind. Oh, goodness. I am getting all my days all confused, and the weeks and the everything. There's everything. So we are going to save the $11. Boom. Put that in there. And for those who are new, what I do is at the end of the month, after I finish saving all the Fridays, I add it up and make an extra payment towards debt. So that is what that is for. And next, I have my weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. Let's move some stuff around. All right. And what I do here is just roll a 8-sided die. So what you just save for each week of the month or once a week in the month. And I decided to do a D8. And this goes towards my son's senior year. Just want to get a head start on that because he graduates next year. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, well, let me put this dollar back and grab a 5. Perfect. And next is, this challenge here is created by Save with Judy. And you just save each icon is $5. So let me get my 5. And color and another Easter basket. So let's do the basket here, pink. Is this pink? Yeah, I think it's pink. Do you guys do Easter baskets? Do you create your own? Or do you just buy the pre-made ones? I used to buy the pre-made ones, but now that I have a 17 and an 18-year-old, I just like to create their own little Easter baskets with some fun little goodies, snacks, and all that stuff. All right, so we have Love is in the Air, and this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets. And let's get to my cards here. And it says $120, which will go towards an extra payment of debt. And let's see, what are we saving with these lovebirds? Okay, $6. That's very durable. So 5 and 6. Put that in here. I think we should be almost finished. How many more cards do I have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 cards. Perfect. All right. And next we brought in our Christmas challenge here. Money just falling out. So this is also created by Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. And this is Santa's Coming to Town. So I am starting to save for Christmas. So how many is he? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, So it's 9. So let's, do I have a D10 out? Or this is a D12. Is it a such thing as a D10? I don't know. Oops, no, not that one. Let's roll this one and see. Oh, first page. So let's go ahead and put in, let's roll and see. 1. Oh gosh. Okay. So let's put in $1. Let's cross that out. And let's do that again. So 8. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, these are 5s and 10s. And it says 150. So let's go ahead and put in 10. So let's do 10. All right. I kind of want to put like 20 in here. So let's do minus 11. Okay, so we got $9 more. What shall we do? Maybe I should just do 1 page at a time. I don't know how I want to do this. Let's go back to the front. And let's do one of, oh, these is 3 through 10. Okay, that's okay. You can just do, let's see. Let's do this guy here. Okay, that's an 8. Perfect. Yeah, I think I might do just 1 page at a time. So that's 8. So $1 more for 9. And let's do this here as a like little catch-all. So let's color this one. And 9. Perfect. So let's put 9. So 9. So let's put the 20 in here. So let's get that started. That sounds like a good idea. All right. And next we have our, say, 2025 and 2025. What we have left? 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. What? Ew, okay, we got the money. So let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, let's put 54 in the calculator. Okay, I'm excited about that. Because you guys heard me talk about me having to pay my taxes for this year. And I owe more than I expected. So I had to take the money out of my month ahead that I saved last year and pay it, which I am grateful for. I had the funds, paid it today actually. So this right here, I think I said it backwards last video. This right here is going towards my taxes for next year. And then this is going towards my emergency in 1 month ahead. And I am saving this in my other video, my scratch and save video, or no, my holiday binder video. That's where I'm saving this at. So sorry about that if I got things confused. So yeah, so this is going towards my taxes for next year because I want to be a little bit more prepared. So $54 we are putting in here, and this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So let's do the big one here. So that is 33. So let's get the coloring. So that's 33 here. Oh, let's do this. I want to finish this 8 over here. And let's do -8. So get that one done. Let's do a purple. Boom, we got that completed. So we got $13. Of course, we only have a 14 on this side, but we can do, let's do minus, what should I do, Gems? Should I go ahead and do 10? So let's do 10. What color? I don't know. So let's do 10 here. And then we have a 3 left over. And let's do the 3 over here. Perfect. Let's do this color. I thought that was going to be red. It turned out to be orange. Perfect. That's a good little jump there. What I say, like 50 something dollars? I don't remember. So -3, boom, $0. So we put that in here. And I am happy about that. Dang, that $100 went fast, but everybody got some love in here. So that is awesome. And that is all I have, Gems. A quick little video, little 1-2-1-2. All right. I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.